To get started, first, press on the extension. We have many different functions in this extension. We will use extract products. As you can see, we extracted the products in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then, press Add to Export List and navigate to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Do this as many times as you like. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-navigate the pages for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract the reviews of this store. To do this, press on the extension. Then press Extract Seller Reviews. As you can see, we extracted the reviews of this seller. To extract more, press Add to Export List. Then navigate to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Again, do this as many times as you like. Now, again, to export this, press Export Data. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.